Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to service the transmission on a 2011 Buick Lacrosse. This version here has the 3.6 all-wheel drive. However, this process is relatively the same across various different models and engines. The only difference is the fluid capacity. It's going to range from 4.2 to 6.3 quarts that's going to come out of here. So that's why it's important when you're doing this, make sure you have a drain pan there that has a visible mark on the side where you can gauge how much comes out. We're simply looking to see how much came out, then we're going to put that same amount of new fluid back in. So to get started here, we're going to jack the vehicle up, and we're going to jack it up the least amount as possible to safely get under there. And the reason is we want to make sure the vehicle is at an operating level so the majority of that fluid does come out. Now, very important, you're never going to get all of the transmission fluid to come out of this when you're doing a drain and refill. You're roughly going to get around that 5 quarts. All right, so now we're ready to drain the transmission. You're just going to have a 10 mil plug here and just put your drain pan underneath here. Then we'll go ahead and remove this. Now, what I typically do on some of these cars is I'll usually clean this up just a little bit so none of that debris gets up into the transmission there. Then we'll go ahead and loosen up this drain plug here. And sometimes it makes this process a little bit quicker if you loosen up the fill plug up there. As you can see there, now it's coming out a little bit quicker than what it was before. Alright, so once it gets to a slow trickle like this, we now know we have the right amount of fluid out of there. And it looks like on this specific model, it's going to be right exactly at 5 quarts. We'll go ahead and clean up our drain plug threads with a wire brush. Then we'll go ahead and tighten this back down. Now, very important, don't over tighten this. It's roughly around 6 foot-pounds, so just hand snug that up. And then go ahead and just clean this up here. Alright, so now that we have all of our fluid drained out, this is a good time to check your transmission fluid just to make sure there's not an excessive amount of metal shavings in here. Now, you will see a little bit on occasion, specifically if it's a break-in period on a newer vehicle, etc. there, but you just put your hand in there, and if you ever see a bunch of metal shavings, or when you drain 95% of this fluid out of here, check the bottom of your pan. Just make sure you don't see an excessive amount of metal shavings. If it looks good, then we're ready to go ahead and fill it up. The fluid that I've been using for many years is this Castrol Dexron VI. This is their older synthetic blend. I think it was roughly around 2021 where this full synthetic version came out. And this one is also approved for the Mercon LV fluid as well on the Ford. Just make sure whatever version you get that it's an approved Dexron VI and not a recommended. There are some fluids out there that they're not actually approved by GM, they're only recommended. The ones that I've always used, it's always been the AC Delco or this Castrol, and I've had good success with them. So then once you have your fluid here, we'll take our 5 quarts and we'll go to the vehicle and then we'll fill it up. All right, to get this filled up, you're just gonna take this black cap off right here. And we'll set that aside. And we'll take a funnel, then we'll start dumping our 5 quarts in. All right, so after you get your 5 quarts, and then we'll just go ahead and remove our funnel. Then go ahead and reinstall your cap. Then after you get that tightened up, just double check the unit, spill anything down there. If you did, clean it up, and you're done. As you can see, this is a very easy job. You don't need to go spend $300-400 for somebody to do this. Arguably, this is even easier than changing your oil. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please give me the thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, please hit that subscribe. But again, I hope this helped you out, and thanks for watching.